Hey guys, we are doing a Fortnite video and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, here we have it live of the Nova Loot Lake event and there's 2 seconds left. Guys, are you hyped for this event? You're seeing it first here. Yo! What the hell? It's like an alien beam. Yo, what is this? Whoa. Guys, comment down below what gun you would want to come back. Guys, what do you think this massive ball is? You guys know what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna pickaxe the drum gun. This is cool. How? So, I'm gonna try and sit on top of this. Oh no, I fell. And look, there's a ghoul trooper. I think that's my friend. You can't build. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that cut. How we missed the Fortnite event on the recording.
Matters.
I'm sorry how you missed out on the volcano, but still, these are the aftermath of the volcano hitting Tilted Towers.
They're good players. What season did you start at?
This is crazy.
I started in season 2. I couldn't play a lot because my mom came in.
What's this guy showing me?
So that's why you're good. Like, way better.
Da 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 da.
That's usually on my Epic Aladdin, so I have more time to play.
Man, already got the pin out, boys. Let's go.
What's this guy shooting? This guy trying to show us. Oh, why is this getting this on? Here he died. What the hell? Look at this aftermath of the volcano. There is lava everywhere. Sorry about this. I'm just doing something. Okay.
There you go. You can just have your hand down. You got smart to do.
So I did it if I wanted to, so I did it.
Okay. So someone told you jump off a cliff. You wanted to again jump off a cliff? Yeah. Yeah? You're pretty intelligent. Phantom already got the pin out, boy.
Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, he's back. Where's this guy taking me back? What is over here? What, the building? What's he trying to show me? Then the floor. Is he trying to show me? I didn't get what you showed me. Oh no, we have to go. Come on. Are you coming? Where is behind me? I don't have any mats. Hang on guys. Just need to quickly do something. Hang on. Okay guys, so I might give you guys some gameplay now of me playing this unvaulted mode out. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys some gameplay. Hang on, I'm gonna search this guy's name up. I'm just gonna watch the end happen from the side. Okay guys, that'll nearly be the end of the video, and go like and subscribe. So see you in the next video.